Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Cured Whole Muscle Meats 104, Bacon Basics. One of the most common cured whole muscle meats in the US is bacon. When done right, homemade bacon can be a delicious addition to any meal or even a meal all its own. Bacon is cured using nitrites, and for commercial processors, the USDA has limited the amounts of ingoing nitrates to 200 parts per million for dry rub bacon and 120 parts per million for pickled or injected bacon. Now, dry rub bacon is the classic way to make bacon. In this process, the outside of the belly is coated with bacon cure, and we rely on osmosis to bring the cure to the center of the meat. We normally coat all sides, but the fat cap generally isn't going to pass any of that through, so we're going to go ahead and still rub that side, but that's more for taste than anything else. So I'm just rubbing this in. I want to get a good amount of the seasoning evenly dispersed throughout the top. Like I said, the fat cap side we're really just doing more for taste, as none of that's going to penetrate through to the meat. One of the things you'll want to do is square up your belly. This one has already been squared up, as you can see, but sometimes they have some just angles to them. Just cut that out so it's nice and rectangular. It'll make the whole process a lot easier. Now that the belly's been rubbed, it needs to be held for 5 to 7 days in a cooler to allow the cure time to fully penetrate. Now, some people prefer to turn the belly over every other day or even every day, but this is not really truly necessary since, as we said before, the fat cap isn't going to pass any of the cure through to the meat. But if you want to, feel free to flip it daily or every other day. It won't make much of a difference. During this process, the bacon is going to excrete some water. It's nothing to worry about, totally normal during this process. Now, the smoke schedule for bacon isn't too hard. Just to make it easy on yourself, make sure that you start at 120 degrees with no smoke for 1 hour, and your dampers need to be wide open. This is going to be an initial drying stage, and it's going to help your smoke adhere. So then go to 120 for an hour with smoke, and close your dampers 2/3 of the way. Then close your dampers all the way and smoke for an hour to 135, then 150 for an hour, then 165 for 80 minutes, and then with no smoke at 180 degrees until the internal temperature is 138 degrees. Then the best thing to do is let the bacon cool for 1 to 2 hours at room temperature before moving it to a fridge or freezer for packaging or slicing. As you can see, we got a really nice smoke on ours, and we were able to get a really good even cut with our Weston Pro Slice. Did a really nice job on this. And the thinner you can get it and the more consistent, the better. It'll just make cooking that much easier. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything about the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything about the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.